Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. I am Priya Shamili, your moral teacher. Are you all staying safe in your home? Very nice. Staying safe is very important now, isn't it? Yes. And are you all following the safety measures? You all think what safety measures? See, now situation is somewhat bad, so you have to follow some precautions by washing your hands often with soap and water. You should not touch your face. You must cover your mouth while coughing and sneezing, and wear your mask while going out of your home. Okay, if you follow this, you can be safe. So you all know that, isn't it? Your parents will instruct you. Okay, good. Now, are you all ready to go to the subject? You are all not scared of moral subject, isn't it? Because you all love moral. Because that love stories, lessons, everything are very interesting and also easy to learn. Because your book, each and every lesson contains one story. That story itself teach you a lesson. Am I right? Yes. Like before, now also the same. You are having stories, so you are going to enjoy more stories this year also. Everyone must bring a moral change. Moral change, that means change in your discipline, change your manners, change in your behavior, change in your attitude, everything. There must be slight change. I know you all are good children. Anyways, there must be some changes because nowadays you are all full and full inside your home, so you cannot go outside and play. So sometimes it will be there will be distraction in your minds, so that your moral changes. For example, your parent is with you nowadays. So you can help them little bit, small help. For example, you eat your food of your own, then if you can help them by somewhat help, whatever you can, you help them. Then wear your clothes of your own, whatever you want. If you can take it, go walk and take it. Don't sit in a place and ask them to bring it. Okay, avoid watching TV. Okay, so if you are sitting in front of the TV, won't move. You will be a rock statue in front of the TV. So you should stand, walk around inside your home. Don't go outside now. Inside your home, walk around, and you help your parent. So if you help your parent, they will love you more. Even though they love you, but if you help them, they will love you much more. Because now in this condition, the whole world are enjoying their parents, isn't it? Yes. So that's nice, being with your parent full and full. You are having their love, having their care. That's nice now. So only we came through online classes to meet you, because you must be in your home. We come to you. Okay, that's nice. See, in your moral subject, you are having full and full stories. Have you ever think why you are having stories in this moral subject? Because all the subjects you have question answers, you have the paragraph, everything. But in this moral, you are having story only. Why? Because through stories you will get a moral. That means you will get a disciplined manners. whatever you need in your daily life, that can be given through this moral subject. Whatever knowledge you need, whatever disciplines, abilities, whatever you need, that can be given through this subject, isn't it? Yes. See, in your small age, you have heard that story. When you are in LKG, UKG, that have heard one story, the rabbit and the tortoise, isn't it? The race between the rabbit and the tortoise. After telling the story, the teacher will teach you a moral. What is the moral? Slow and steady wins the race. If you have implied that moral in your life, slow and steady wins the race, you will be getting bigger position. Because see, if you have got that moral in your mind, that will make you a nice character. Moral helps you to know what is right and what is wrong. If you know that what is right and what is wrong, you can lead a life happily. Because without knowing that, without having that sense, common sense, everything will be destroyed. We cannot lead a nice life. Everyone will hate us. To everyone love us, we have to be good in our moral. Okay. See, some children will be good at school. They will be scared of teachers, school circumstances, and they will be good at school. But if they go home, the character is totally upside down. They will not obey the parent. They will put their things here and there. They will be not perfect. They will make all the house itself. They will everywhere, whatever they do, that will be, they will not keep anything in their old place. Everything will be like that. So that is not a good habit, isn't it? Whatever we can do, we have to do it ourselves. That is a good habit. So that character must be changed. Some children are like that, so that must be changed. Because you may think that your parent won't inform to teachers, or they love, because they love you, so you think this is right, we can do it. But you can close your parents' eyes, but God's eyes cannot be closed, isn't it? He will see everything, whatever you do, He will notice it. So be good everywhere. Okay. Next class, I will start your lesson. Okay. The first lesson topic is watching yourself. Watching yourself. So go search something in it and prepare something in your mind. What is watching yourself? What can we watch by ourselves? So have to do that. Next week, your class, I will ask you whatever you have prepared for this lesson, watching yourself. Okay. And also we are having one story next class. Okay. So do you remember whatever I say about moralities? Okay. Be good at home, be good at everywhere. Okay. And also nowadays, you know what is the situation. So eat well, drink plenty of water, be happy. That is very, very important. Be happy every time. Okay, because you are a kids, you have to enjoy these days. So be happy, be happy. And also study your lessons properly and do your homeworks, assignments, everything done by your teacher. Okay, hope you all be good. The next class, watching yourself. So 1 week is you have time to watch yourself. So go ahead, have a happy weekend. Okay, thank you children, take care, bye bye.